Talofa Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look for us a little runaround car. Yeah, doesn't have to be fancy, but just something to get us from A to B, and so we can run around where we want to run around. Something that's reliable, that's all we're after. Isn't that what we're all after? Something reliable for our lives. So that's what we're going to do today. And what's good about it too is that my brother's here to help us look for a car. So come with us, guys.
One of those portable vacuums, you can plug it in here, you can vacuum. That's what we need. Yeah, I know he has a hybrid though. I know he has it for a taxi.
Yeah, the color's even nice.
Yeah. You just need a number plate.
Okay guys, we got our new car. My brother is going to the island shop now, but well, us and our random stuff, eh? We didn't even think we were gonna buy a car today. We were just gonna come for a nosy, but yeah, best to get it. But guess what, guys? It's an 8-seater. It's just so when our kids come over, there's plenty of room. We weren't even meant to get a van, hey? We're just going to be a small car. But it's got his tow bar that he wants. It's got to have a tow bar, right?
In case we run into a boat.
Yeah, so got ourselves a car. Now we're going home to park it. Praise to God, all praises goes to God. Because I prayed last night and I said, God, if you can show us the right car to buy, and this is it. We weren't even after an 8-seater. No, we weren't. We were just after, like a 5-seater car, and then this guy and his tow bar and, other bits and pieces. And then when I went to read the description about this car, it's an 8-seater. I thought, holy guacamole. Good morning, guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Saturday, guys, and it's a beautiful day here in Hamilton, and Elvis and I,
Good morning.
Elvis and I, we are going to find a jack for our car. We've got this car, but it didn't come with a jack. It's pretty sunny out there, guys, so yeah, I needed sunglasses. Yeah, okay, I saw these sunglasses at the $2 shop and I thought, okay, I'm gonna need those for eye protection. Yeah, I know. If there was one for Elvis, I would have bought him one, but the only one that was there was like a green one, so I thought, nah, never mind.
Elton John.
Oh, you want to be Elton John? Oh, I could have bought them then, eh? Yes. I know you want to be Elton John. Se kuia, eh? So, yeah, we're going to put some petrol in our car, guys, and then go and get the jack. This place that we're going to was recommended by a mechanic that we try to take our car to tune up. So we had booked for a tune up, and the man come outside to check the car, and he said, oh, it doesn't need a tune up right now because it's still got the odometer has to be similar to the sticker that the last person that tuned it up needs to be the same kind of thing. So we'll book it in another couple of weeks and get it done then. But some mechanics, they won't tell you those kind of things, will they? They'll just go, okay, we'll tune it up and we'll take your money, honey. Filled up our car, guys. We don't want to die on the way. So now we're going to look for some fish and chips because Rico wants fish and chips for lunch, and that's what we're doing. So we just arrived, guys, to Seafood Bazaar. That's where we're buying the fish and chips from. Look how beautiful the day is, though. God is good. Fish. Plenty of fish head there. I just want one. Did you get the one that I wanted, the yellow one? Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
I'll have two of the small one.
That one's a nice one. Guys, we got our fish and chips, and we got fish, hot dogs, and steak and toast. So that's our lunch. Then after that, we're gonna go home and take it home and enjoy it together with Rico.
And we got flounders and mussels.
Yeah, flounders and mussels. For
later.
another day.
For later.
Oh, later then. For dinner.
Yeah, could be dinner.
Yeah.
Could be
dinner.
breakfast. I love flounder breakfast.
Yeah, with a couple of eggs.
Yeah, a couple of eggs.
Well, I took chicken out. I was thinking we're going to have chicken today. So it's out of the two, chicken or flounders. We shall see. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Yeah. So we got the steak and egg toaster sandwich, guys, and I got the smallest piece of fish, but it's quite big, and I got hot dog on a stick and some little oysters and some chips. no salad. Anyway, Tangata already done the prayer, so we can eat. He's already started. Cheers anyway, guys. This is a nice drink, eh? What is it? Yeah, golden pash, it's called. This oyster, take a bite, guys. Oyster. Take a bite, guys. It's the weekend, so I think it's time to have fish and chips. My glasses is dark because it's sunny out there. So when the sun hits my glasses, it turns, dark.
Yeah, nice food. Hot dog, nice. Steak and egg.
The steak is tender. I don't know what steak it is, but it's always tender. We even had a fat steak before that was tender again.
It tastes like sirloin. Really nice.
They put a lot of butter on the bread
Yeah,
before they toast it. That's probably why it
on
tastes.
the outside too, eh?
You don't put it on the inside.
Nice. They have this.
They have toasted sandwiches in Australia, but it doesn't taste as nice as this.
Nice toast.
Some do, some is not as. But steak and egg or bacon and egg sandwich, toasted sandwich in New Zealand is really nice and tasty. I don't know why, it must be a heaps of butter they put on. I shouldn't have drank as much. Now it's filled me up, kind of thing. Guys, take a bite of the fish.